Okay, so here is Learning with Germaine. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do that thing you were having an issue with as far as stretching the type. So, alright, with the warp tool, what you're going to do is first you'll select your type tool, which is here, and then you will type hair. Okay, once you do that, you'll click off of there and then just kind of move it how you want. Then what you're going to do is hit Control T. You can move your cursor around, and as you see, it'll let you do different things. Like if you are at the corner, it'll let you pivot around, kind of stretch it out. I know on the Mac, if I hold Shift, it will stretch it like that. Usually it's a rule you don't stretch type, but for this class project, that is what you're doing. So once you kind of get this set how you want, you're going to pivot this around, grabbing the corner. And once again, I hit Control T to get to that point. I'm going to right click. I'm going to hit warp. Once I do warp, there you go. And it lets you kind of stretch this out like so. And then you just hit enter. Alright, and if you want to do more with it, Control T, give me that. Oh yeah, okay. So we're going to take another thing. I'll hit enter. I'm going to hit input more hair. Let's see. Because this is live type. So I'm going to get type. Click off of here. Okay, type. And I'm going to convert this to a shape. Okay, now that it's converted to a shape, I should be able to hit Control T, right click. It'll let me distort. I can skew, I can do perspective. So that gives me like different options. So once I kind of click on there and do this as a different one, leave this low. So here, all right, click off of there, move that there. I'm going to get to type, convert to shape. Now it's no longer editable type. Hit Command T, right click, and now I can distort. And with distort, I can kind of stretch this around and move this how I want. So you can do weird things like perspective. I can I think skew will do. There we go. All right, so once I do that, it's going to let me stretch this around like this. And you can kind of grab the bars to kind of stretch it how you want. So all right. So more hair. And scale that down some, making that a little bit smaller. drag that there. Type, convert to shape, so it's no longer edible type. Command T, right click over that, and I'm gonna warp that. So now that I warped it, I can stretch this. There. All right, following the curve, and then I'll hit enter. So now that that's the shape, it can be stretched around, but now you can kind of see what you can do with this. So hopefully this is helpful. If you have any more questions, let me know. That's Germaine.